Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are having amazing content, and the topic of today is pretty much coming from what happened to me today. Like some few minutes ago, as I was taking my animal for grazing and browsing at the same time, we were attacked by a very huge python. So usually, like as you can see in the background, in this farm we are doing a prune goat farming. So let me just give you a brief overview of it. Like in prune goat farming, like meaning we take our animal out, they feed on the available grasses as you can see in the background. Then we take water from there. Also then we guide them back in the evening to their shelter where they rest for the night, and then the routine continues every day. So in this family we have two shifts, we have the morning shift and then the evening shift. So nothing happened in the morning shift. Usually morning shift always I take them out. Okay, it pretty much depend on the day. During rainy season we always take them at around 10:30, and they come back at 1. So usually when it reach they reaches around 1, then the animals just pretty much they start just walking back home. They just start coming back, they are used to it. So usually they know there's a growth period between 1 and 2. Usually at that time they rest, then the evening shift they start exactly at 2. Exactly at 2 we were heading for grazing and browsing at the same time. So along the way, because as I told you sometime back, the land is fucking big, so we eat we graze at the far end of the land, so the other side is the grasses are not yet overgrown, they are just there. So along the way, as we were eating for browsing at grazing at the same time, we were attacked by a python. So usually the animal be in front, then for me I guide them from the back. So in the middle of the way, so I had a very sharp sound coming from one animal. So I had to rush to the scene and see what's happening. Maybe there is nothing of such has happened to me, because usually the animal yeah, they make some sound, but not up to that extent. It was too sharp, so I had to rush to the scene. On seeing from a distance, I saw a very huge python, a snake, tying itself around the waist of the animal. So the rest of the animal had to scatter in different directions. So on seeing a very huge a very huge python twisting itself and tying itself on the animal, so I had to run and then gather the rest of the animal before they went crazy. I had to gather them back, we I send them back to the shelter at home. So when we reach home, I ran to my neighbors. I have some neighbors around. I ran I ran to them. So I went to the home. There was fucking no one. There was no one. So I remember I was having one. I was having one of my relatives nearby, so I had to make a call. She gathered some youth, 3 of them to go plus me, we were 4. So so we were having spears, panga, and then there were some arrows. So just so fucking crazy. It's my first time seeing that. A huge snake like that. Of course I've watched it in a movie, in for example those geographical channel, I watched them there, but in real life I didn't see something crazy like that. We headed to the scene. So on reaching the scene, we got they got lying flat on the ground, but there was no snake. So I said, what the fuck has happened? Kumbe the other remember when we were heading to the scene, we were making okay, we were talking. I think it heard our voice, so so it went and ate. So when we reached there, those youth were hunters. They know really what happened. It was not their first time to kill a python. So those guys were fucking. They were energized. They were moving with a lot of fucking energy. So what the fuck these niggas are oh, they're just fucking crazy. Yeah, feel me? So when we reached there, they said they told me the python is still within, because usually when they kill, make sure like they twist it like they make the animal fucking slippery, so that like they swallow. So when they swallow it also, like they don't move far. They just they if they move like some few meters away. No, you cannot even reach like 5. Like just like they pretty much like stay there until like the animal is fully they like digested, and then like they continue with their move. So we started moving it, like all of us like scattered in different fucking direction. But guys, I was fucking scared. I was moving like behind one guy. Like you feel me? Like I was fucking scared. Like yeah, you feel me? Like so I was fucking scared. So just like some, not even a minute, on just like a nearby site, we got the python there. So we managed to kill the python, as you can see in the video. Like we managed to kill the python. So that is pretty much it. So what happened to me today? It's fucking crazy. So I would like to know your opinion, about for example, how can you prevent python from attacking our farm, from launching an attack on our animal, our animals. Like, is there a way out for this thing, so that like it doesn't fucking happen in the future? So guys, let me know in the comment. This is fucking serious. Like you see, this is a business, so we need to protect our business in all way possible. And the good thing about it, like we managed to kill like the python, and the bad thing we have to lose one animal. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So let me know in the comment, and make sure you pretty much like and then subscribe to the channel. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We are out. Peace.